welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lord Voldemort from Harry Potter for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with framing in the top of the head. We're going to do this further to the right. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this up, and we're going to pull this all the way over and down on the right, ending that at the same height. For the cheek here, we're going to curve this out again, pulling this over and flattening that out in the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this over and out, flattening that together in the middle. Split the face in half. We're going to draw on a curved line for the mouth. Let's step up on the left-hand side for the eyebrow, tucking this down, up, and over. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, tucking this down, up, and across. Let's draw a nice big circle for our eyes here. So on the right, we're going to curve this all the way around, tucking that in on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, curving this all the way around and then tucking that back in. Let's add in our highlight now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, just connecting that underneath the eyebrow. Let's come in on a diagonal. We're going to draw in a small circle for that second highlight. And now let's just color in our eye black. Let's come down for the cloak now. So on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. And then we're going to come down on this line, curving this up, extending that past. We'll come in, drawing in another diagonal line, pulling that through. To the left from that corner, curving this out, tucking that in towards the chin. And then from this line here, we're just going to step up, curving this down and out. We'll draw in the collar in the middle, drawing two diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to draw in two more diagonal lines in the middle. We'll flatten that out in the center. And then again, just drawing that out. Let's come up. So stepping down on this line, we're going to curve this line out and then pulling the cloak through on the right. Let's step in again, curving this up. And then now coming underneath, curving this out, ending that at the same height. Close this off in the middle with a straight line. Now to the left, we're going to arch this line out, pulling that in, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to close the cloak off, curving that up on the side. Let's draw on our right arm first. We're going to curve this line down. We're going to tuck this in on the side. For the thumb, rounding that out, let's step over. We're going to continue to curve this up. Again, for the center finger, curving that through. And then one more time, arching that up. Now for the left arm, this one's going to be holding the 1, so we're going to curve this out. For the thumb, we're going to round this out, curving this around, back in. Let's close the cloak off on the arm, curving that down. We're going to pull this back through on the side. Now on the top here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing. So we're going to step across and we're going to curve this around and in, creating an oval for that pinky. We'll move up, doing the exact same thing in the center. And then we're going to do that one more time on the top. Let's draw on the wand underneath. So again, another diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to flatten that out on the bottom. We'll close off the cloaked arm here, curving that in. Now let's continue the wand as we come up above. So we're just going to curve this around and out on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're going to pull this back down and through on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Lord Voldemort for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.